Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Collegedunia, and today I'll be telling you how you can predict your college according to your UPTAC rank. So first you have to go to the Collegedunia website, that is collegedunia.com, and once you see this link you have to click over here, and then you have to scroll down below and you will see this section of College Predictor. You have to click here and then you have to select the course and the exam that you want to pursue. For example, today we'll be seeing for UPTAC and then select the course. For example, we want to see for BBA, and then you have to click for find colleges. After that, you have to enter your rank along with your reservation category and the course. For example, my rank over here is 1100. This is my reservation category and this is my course. You have to click on check results. So you can see there are in total of 3 colleges for which I qualify for, and these are all those colleges listed down below. And if you want to know more about the college, you can just click over here and you can see every detail about your college, your course and other as well. For example, the cutoff, your placement, your ranking, scholarship, faculty, everything is given, everything is listed here. And you can also download the brochure over selecting over this button given below. And after that, if you want to see the colleges according to your preferences and choices, you have to click the filter button and you can just select all the choices that you have. For example, the city you want to go, or the year, your substream, your degree type and your category. And after that, you can just apply those changes and all those colleges will be listed for you. So guys, that's it. If you want to know more or if you have any other questions, you can just comment down below or you can visit the website, that is collegedunia.com.